Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now, before we get started, you will first want to grab some kind of computer, that'd be a desktop or any kind of laptop, and grab a cable, plug it into it, and have it ready. So I have one right here. We will need it to access the recovery mode. Next, on your device, swipe down from the top right side, click on the power button right here, and select power off. Now, I will recommend you have the display open, as if I remember correctly, our recovery modes will be on the inside display and they will not be showing up on the cover one. Now, with that in mind, let's plug in our cable. And what you want to do is hold power button and volume up at the same time. Although we do need to wait a moment for typically for the percentage to show up, but I think they changed it now, right? So it just shows us that it's well, nothing. So again, hold power button and volume up. And let go of the power button when you see the Galaxy Edition. And here is our very limited recovery mode, and I really mean limited. So you can see in here we have reboot system now, wipe data, and power off. So we just have factory reset now in here and two different methods of leaving this. No longer do we have bootloaders, no longer do we have logs or anything else that you could actually find useful in a goddamn recovery mode. What am I recovering? The removal of data here? Anyway, Samsung being absolutely retarded as always and trying to erode our ownership even more. So yeah, no longer do you have the ability to basically flush the system anymore. That's not for you. Though, yeah, I would want to mention you can access download mode on here. If you put the device in maintenance mode, which you can find in settings under device care, and in the maintenance mode, when you turn it off, plug in the cable, hold both volume up, down, and power button, you will be able to access the download mode. In any case, with that being said, we're going to select the first option, so reboot this now, which I didn't mention. You navigate in here using your volume buttons, if there's much to navigate through, and you confirm it using your power button. And we can also get rid of the cable. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.